In today's video, I will teach you how to make a pop-up image using layer masks in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the subject image, then remove the background. To do this, simply open the Select tab and select Subject. Once the subject is selected, hit Ctrl J to make a new layer with only the subject on it. Now, open the image where you would like to put your subject onto. Now, make sure that the object where you would like the subject to pop out has a separate layer with transparent background. To do this, right-click on the Quick Selection tool and select Object Selection tool. Wait for the tool to distinguish each object. And once it's done scanning the image, click on the object to select it, then press Ctrl J to make a separate layer with only the object on it. Now, repeat the same steps for the other objects that you would like to layer on top of your subject. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and drag the subject layer over to the object image and arrange the layers according to your preference. But make sure that the object layer where you would like your subject to pop out is at the bottom, while the objects that you would like to put on top of the subject are above the subject. Once you're satisfied, select the subject layer and hit Ctrl J to make a copy. Now, select the original subject layer and clip it to the object below by holding Alt while clicking on the line in between both layers. Now, add a layer mask to the subject layer copy and select the layer mask thumbnail and press Ctrl I to invert the mask. In the toolbar, set the color to white and use the brush tool to reveal the part of your image that you would like to pop out. Now, just add some shadows for a more realistic look. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.